I'm currently going to work and it's late. Good morning, guys. So today is on Wednesday and it's raining as fuck in the morning, and I'm currently going to work, guys. And my hair, hey, my hair is giving me nightmares right now. I don't know what to do now. I'm bored. So I'm currently going to work and it's raining. Yeah, that's me. Yeah. So yesterday I was unbraiding my hair and I was thinking this hair is giving me nightmares. I should now lock it. It's time, I think. So I'm still debating with my mind because I don't spend this style moja. Like, I like braiding my hair, but hey, nowadays I don't have time for the hair, and it's like literally the last braids zilika 3 weeks, just 3 weeks. And yeah, guys, I'm vlogging on the road. Kwa barabara, but there's no one. There's nobody. Oh my god, guys, I can't do it. I can't vlog on public. I can't. I tried today, but sometimes I'm thinking, well, these people don't know me, so I don't know why I fear. But my anxiety, my social anxiety is here. I can't. Yeah, nimefika kwa job and let me tell you guys, sikunanyesha, it's raining and it's so cold. I don't know where the rain came from because yesterday it was a sunny day, so maybe the night flipped. Anyway, I'm trying to be like a certain girl. I'm a fan of that girl, and social anxiety, they don't meet. They actually don't meet. She vlogs everywhere, mpaka tao, literally. Even kuna places zinakwanga zimejaa watu, and she's always vlogging and talking. Literally vlogging, and she has so nice vlogs, and I think right now she's like my role model. I want to do more of her content, like a day-to-day life, like how I live in a day-to-day. Yeah, I know some of the things are repetitive, but that's what I do. That's how I want my vlogs mostly to be. My life, my lifestyle, basically. But now I need to work on my social anxiety. Sometimes I tell myself, these people don't know me. So it doesn't matter what they are thinking of me because they don't know me. But again, I can't. I really can't. But everything one step at a time. Maybe one day I'll have that social anxiety gone, literally gone. But for now, I don't know. Even when the load haina mtu yeyote, I'm trembling, literally, natetemeka. But anyway, let me work, let me clock in. I just got to work. Yeah, see you another day. I yap so much. If you noticed, I cut my videos because I start yapping and say nothing, so I have to cut. So sorry for that. I talk too much, but anyway, have a lovely day. Yeah, see you another day. Hello guys, so another day, another week, another month to be shaggy. But you know what? The last time I was vlogging, I was like, should I lock this hair or should I just do the braiding? Yeah, I love braiding my hair, by the way. I think I said that. I have already said that. But my hair is misbehaving so bad. Look at that. Another day, obviously, and yeah, this is the results. Yeah, and also the nails. This is the results. I couldn't do yesterday anymore. Nilianza kusikia uchungu. You know, like my scalp is so weak and my hair is so soft. But that lady told me that she made sure that my hair is protected so that ikigrow haitakuwa weak, ianze kukatika, because again, I don't have many hair and my hair is so soft, actually too soft. Yeah, so this is the result, and I think I look pretty. I love it actually, and and I can't believe for the next 9 to 10 months I would be struggling and thinking, gosh, what am I to do? What am I going to do with this hair this month? Because that one stressed me. And going to the salon, get it for 2 to 3 hours, and then the hair in a 2 weeks. And I look 2 weeks, I was already looking like a homeless person. Like, there is a video I was watching, and guys, you can see like kutoka hapa hivi nimejaa nini zinaitwa dandruffs already, and that hair was 2 weeks old. Can you imagine? It was like 2 weeks old, and I'm not even kidding. It was 2 weeks old. So now, yeah, this is my new hairstyles, and I don't know why. I should have rocked this hair a very long time ago. Yeah, and I'm hoping, my nini hair, they are so weak. I have so many baby hairs from kitambo, but I don't even know how to lay edges. So I know, by the way, I do know how to lay edges. The thing is, so my hair is so soft. That's fun. So the more I apply gel, the more I apply the gel, the more the nini goes. I think I have a picture of me. I had braids for like 5 weeks. I usually go with braids for 4 weeks. Yeah, and I had those braids for 4 weeks, and I used to apply gel because it was already so bad. So I used to apply braids, and hey, now you see these are the baby hairs I'm talking about. Yeah, so the moment like I was applying so many gel, and the hair is soft hapa hivi, so ikakatika, and the more inakatika, the more like naivuruta inakaa baby hair-ish nikipaka gel. And the moment I was doing the braids again, like the following, I actually stayed with that hair for 3 weeks kind of, so that it can like grow back again. Yeah, and 3 weeks is a long time you staying without doing your hair, and it's exhausting. So I had to do the hair, especially because I was in school, so siwezi kaa na nywele that long. I have to do other things. Yeah, I was doing engineering for information, so I don't have time for hair. I literally never had time for anything else. Masomo. And I had to braid the hair. Yeah, I'll attach the picture, you guys. I'll attach the pictures. It was so bad. Nywele ilikuwa imeanzia, I think, from somewhere here and here. Especially this side. The right side is so weak, like so if you can see from here. And this year, sijafanya braid many times. I think it's only like 2 times. Yeah, nimekuwa nikifanya lines muongezo so that the hair can be strong, and it's not even working. So yeah, let's see kama hii venye na lock itavuruta, and the hairline will be like right. Okay, I've always wanted to have like a good hairline. Yeah, and I had that one when I was in high school, but high school, basically I'm shooting nywele, so yeah, and I'm already upping. So yeah, that's it for this vlog, guys. Thank you for watching. Kindly remember to subscribe, watch, share, comment, and guys, msisahau ku like. Also, my skin is doing well, and thank you for the tips. It's doing well. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you on another vlog.